Well, I found the breaker and it shut off all the lights. Hopefully there's going to be enough light on here to where you can see. Okay, so now I have to take off that little housing, or this little bit here, and I'm just going to swivel that off, and I can reuse these screws. Okay, now I go black to black and white to white, so I can just hold it up there. Man, you know what? These wires, the ends are sticking out pretty far. These wire nuts are fairly small. I think I'm going to cut off the tip of that. I just happen to have some wire cutters here. And so the black, I'm going to cut it off a little bit shorter. Now my wire nut, the wire nut's designed when you put it on, you don't want any of the other wire, bare copper wire showing, okay? They kind of went a little bit too far on that, okay? So black to black. And see, if you did this with the power left on, you could take one off at a time, but it's not really recommended, especially if you can easily find the wire. The breaker, the electrical breaker. Okay, so I got black there, and now I'm doing the white. Some people say, hey, whenever you take old wire nuts off, put brand new ones on there, but these are a kind that I feel pretty comfortable with. Okay, make sure it feels snug, kind of pull on the wire a little bit. Sometimes you can think they're up tight and you pull on the wire and it's like, son of a gun, I'm glad I checked that. Okay, that's going to push in there. I want to make sure that's pushed up high enough and this is kind of coming out in the middle. Okay, so far so good. You can do this. Anyone can do this. If I can do it, I'm just an average Joe. Of course you can do it too.